Hey guys, it's me Brian of Morton Pastry and today, gagawa tayo ng cassava cake. Malambot, perfectly sweet, with creamy coconut custard on top. Dinagdagan pa natin ng cheese at makapuno. Ay siguradong magugustuhan nyo rin to kung mahilig din kayo sa kakanin. Suwak na suwak pang merienda, kaya naman tara, gawa na tayo.
Mortar and pastry.
Unahin na nating i-prepare yung ating kamoting kahoy, hugasan, balatan, at gadgarin natin ng medyo pino. Pwedeng mano-mano or gamitin natin ang food processor. Sa 1 kilo ng freshly grated cassava, naglagay tayo ng 1 cup ng sugar, 1 cup ng evaporated milk, 1 cup ng purong gata ng nyog, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup ng melted butter, kalahating lata ng condensed milk, at half teaspoon ng salt. Haluin ng mabuti at transfer natin sa 10x11 na baking pan. Sinapinan ko lang yan ng aluminum foil, then bake na natin sa preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about an hour. While baking, gawin naman natin yung pang-topping. In a mixing bowl, combine half cup ng purong gata, yung natirang kalahating lata ng condensed milk at 3 buong itlog. Lastly, pampalinamnam at pambalansin ng tamis, add tayo ng 80 grams ng grated quick melt cheese. Haluin ng mabuti. Then, after an hour of baking, pwede na nating ibuhos yung custard topping mixture sa ibabaw. Maglagay ng makapuno at i-bake natin ulit. This time at 200 degrees Celsius for another 20 to 25 minutes or until mag-brown yung ibabaw. Let it cool completely before slicing, and that's it. Enjoy your homemade cassava cake.